Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of math. Specifically focusing on division. We'll be using the fundamental concepts of grouping and sharing to truly understand what division is all about. We'll be referencing page 50, so make sure you have your books ready. Let's embark on this mathematical adventure together. Imagine you've been given a delightful bunch of cookies. Let's say, a total of 12 delicious cookies. Now, you have a group of friends, and you want to share these cookies equally among them. Division is the perfect tool to help us figure out exactly how many cookies each of your friends will get. We can accomplish this through two main strategies: grouping and sharing, each offering a unique perspective on the division process. First, let's explore the idea of grouping. Suppose you're feeling generous, and you want to put the cookies into groups. With each group containing 3 cookies, you can visually circle the cookies, carefully forming groups of 3 each. Now, the question is, how many complete groups of 3 cookies can you create from your initial collection of 12? Upon careful grouping, you'll discover that you can make precisely 4 groups. This means that 12 divided by 3 equals 4, a fundamental concept in division. Next, let's consider the concept of sharing. Think about those same 12 cookies. But now, imagine you have 4 wonderful friends eager to share them. You decide to share the cookies equally among your friends. You could give each friend 1 cookie at a time, continuing the distribution until you've successfully given out all 12 cookies. After this process, each of your 4 friends will have received exactly 3 cookies. This illustrates that 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Another key insight into how division works. On page 50, you'll likely encounter a series of similar examples designed to solidify your understanding. The page will probably feature visual aids, such as pictures of various objects, like cookies, toys, or other relatable items. These objects are presented in ways that demonstrate how they can be divided into distinct groups, or shared equally among a certain number of people or entities. You'll be tasked with determining how many groups can be formed, or the precise number of items each person receives. Remember that division is all about splitting a total quantity into equal-sized groups, or distributing it equally amongst recipients. It's essentially a method for breaking down a larger number into smaller, more manageable parts. Whether you approach it through the lens of grouping or sharing, the fundamental goal remains consistent: to determine the number of items within each group, or the quantity each individual or entity receives. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the division symbol, which looks like a dash with a dot above and below it divided by. You will see this symbol used in division problems to signify the operation. For instance, the expression 12 divided by 3 4 tells us that 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. In this case, the number preceding the division symbol 12 represents the total amount. The number following the division symbol 3 represents the size of the group or the number of shares. And the result 4 is the outcome of the division operation. Practice is undeniably the key to mastery. Therefore, dedicate yourself to diligently working through the problems presented on page 50. Actively employ both the grouping and sharing methods to solve each of them. Don't hesitate to draw your own illustrative pictures to further assist your understanding of the concepts. With consistent practice and dedication, division will gradually become a more familiar and easily manageable skill, and you'll undoubtedly discover its remarkable usefulness in your everyday life. So, open your books to page 50, prepare yourself, and let's enthusiastically begin our exploration of the fascinating world of division. I wish you the best of luck, and I genuinely hope you'll find the entire process enjoyable and enriching.